How has CrossCheck been able to reduce our risk of taking consumer checks? It's been absolutely fantastic. We submit a check, we go online, we simply submit the information for the customer, we get an approval code right away, and then we know we're going to get our money. We know we're going to get paid. We submit it. If there's a problem and the check is not honored by the customer, CrossCheck has been able to pay us our money in 7 to 10 days. It's been absolutely great. I couldn't ask for better. One of the other things that I really like about CrossCheck is cost. The cost is fantastic. We look at it in terms of comparing it to a credit card, and it's very favorable compared to credit card charges. When we looked at determining CrossChecks and determining the checks itself and who we're going to take, we looked at the different vendors that were out there. We looked at the services that they offered. We had another check guarantee company before CrossCheck. They weren't even in the ballpark with the services that CrossCheck provides. The cost, the ease of doing business. If we have any problems, we can call and get customer service right away. We're just highly impressed with CrossCheck and what we get. So as a business, it's reduced my risk from taking a check, and that's what we want. We take your check, I know I'm getting paid. Can a customer take multiple or provide multiple checks in terms of buying a vehicle? CrossChecks allows us to do that. It allows us to take multiple checks, to be able to take a down payment. So a customer may say, hey, look, we need to do it in 1 day. We need this check to be in 15 days. And it allows us to take multiple checks to be able to complete a car deal. That has been a tremendous help for us in our business. What's neat about it is we don't need anything. We haven't needed anything. If we need support, support has been there. It can't get any better. I can't ask for better support. I have the salesperson's cell phone number to call him immediately if we have any issues. The customer service has been such a good customer service, I never call Charles other than to say hello. That's it. I don't need it. So, you look at it and you say, what kind of service you're providing? It's fantastic. I can't ask for better service. On a scale of 10, you're a 10. It can't get any better. I don't have any problems. Anytime we have an issue, it's handled quickly, within a matter of a day. That's how fast you guys have been. I can't ask for more.